3, 2, 1, and parachute. Whoa. Alright, parachutes. Oh. Hey guys. And they're leaving, I guess. Okay, let's just ignore it, guys. Okay, that was unexpected. So anyways, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fly helicopters and not crash like that one that exploded. And yeah, and just like last video, I am good in flying helicopters, so no more crashing, I guess. So yeah, going to be showing you how to fly helicopters. So first of all, you will want a helicopter, obviously. So it can be any helicopters like that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Any helicopters. It can be small, and also, oh yeah, right, there are LFS helicopters. I'm going to be showing you how to fly LFS helicopters. Forgot to say that, sorry. So anyways, now that you've spawned your helicopter, just get in your vehicle. No, wait, not vehicle, it's a helicopter. Just get in your helicopter, click E, or just get in. So for beginners of this add-on, to just lift off, you just press your reload button, but mine's I because I changed it, because I made the button R into a ragdoll, and I changed it the reload button to I. Never mind. So yeah, just press your reload button and it will be starting to blade off. And also, to lift off, just press the button W or hold the W button, and just like that, guys, you're now flying. Yeah. And also, again, just hold W while the blades are now spinning, so that you can now lift off. So yeah, guys, that was just an easy lift off. And yeah, that's just it, guys. And also, I just downloaded this map, carriers, and also you can do roll with it. Also, if you have a machine gun mounted helicopter, you can just hold left click like this, and the machine gun will go bzz, brrr. So yeah, and also you can change seats and the helicopter will still be flying. Let me show you an example. And just like that, guys, and you can now start firing. And also you gotta be quick to do that, because your helicopter will go crashing. And also, to land an helicopter so you won't be stuck in the air, so first of all, you just need to be close to the ground and hold this, and once you're near the ground, just like that, and just press your reload button, and yeah, the blades will now stop working. Wait, they're now gonna stop. I don't know what that ammo reloading sound is. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and also I'll be making another tutorial on how to fly planes soon, or right now. I will be making that right now after this recording stops. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.